Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Just Damilola. If this is your first time coming across this channel, thank you for coming. Thank you so much. You're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, I say thank you. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload a quality picture on WhatsApp, because oftentimes I do hear people say, oh, WhatsApp don't do justice to this picture or to this video. Most particularly the business owner, that they have to upload product image. So I'm going to be showing you how you can do that, and the quality of your image or video will still remain the same. So let's get started. So now you go to your WhatsApp, you open your WhatsApp and then click on setting. On setting, then you go under storage and data, and then where you will see media upload quality here, and then you click on photo upload quality and select best quality, and that is all. So